This is the workshop at NIS. This is a purpose-built space where we can work on timber, metal, electronics, and students can go from fluid design to product build. This workshop's special because not many other schools have a custom-built space like this, with this range of machines and with the potential that can be achieved in this classroom. You know, what's really special about this space is it's learning by doing. It's not theory, they're actually spending most of the time doing it themselves.
In grade 8 design class, we are making speakers. This is a piece of bamboo wood, and then I attach one of those speakers behind it using screws.
My project is like the wooden bottle. I decided to put the Bluetooth speaker inside of it. So my goal is I can like drink water while listening music.
How do you apply maths? How do you apply physics? How do you apply knowledge of materials? Because a successful designer knows how to use all this information to create a really good solution for their client.
What I like about Workshop is that we have a chance to make things that we want using wood or maybe other materials such as acrylic or aluminium. By doing so, I have a feeling that I'm doing things for my own. I could do what I want to make, and then it also improves my creative thinking skills and learning how to use all of those machines in the workshop.
Before I came to the school, and I saw that there's a design class here. In workshop, there's like so many tools. Now when I come to the workshop, I can use some wood to make things I want.
What you'll see ultimately coming out of this class is student choice. Students have made hundreds of decisions along this process, but within those, every student's project is different, and that is so important for students to express their own design style, their own cultural background, their own influences, and how they understand the problem and how it can be solved.